just want to ride down the driveway.
I don't want to carry me a hole in this motherfucker. Not here.
Just all to put on your face.
That's it.
For the day.
For the day.
That's right, that's right.
First on that white dish. I put white dish on top of this motherfucker. Deal with me. For real. Deal with me. I put white dish on top.
Oh, y'all nigga headed, man.
Now, you know.
Ain't nothing one of these niggas over 25. What you got? What kind of car this is you want me on, nephew? Let me let y'all broke niggas see what a piece of shit look like. Just a good piece of shit come out of the back. See all these vines, all that old tight shit, man. Hey, man. Shit, y'all low jack over, but y'all broke ass nigga want to take a chance on the EF number. You feel me? I'm taking these dope ass niggas keep brand new, man. New money in the building. You ain't gonna go right through the sideways just so I can have it. Back up just a little bit. It'll warm up a little more, my nigga. Pull over in front of your house. Them houses, ain't it? I was a little old. You know when you get the matching to see what he working like. When he puts on, it's on the side of the house, ain't it? My house, man. His nephew house, man. Treating it, man. Yeah, off the ear. One of the young niggas in the city always talking about, oh. nephew, kicking it, man. I'm out here on the sidewalk, man. Real player shit going on. That way nephew got it up out the ground right here on these steps, man. They always fucking with. They always coming to bring that shit to. Well, they always got somewhere to say about Uncle E. They man. Got a million nephew, man. Fuck a gang. I got a goddamn family of young niggas ready.